I'm going to talk about describe an area of science that interests you. Well, sir, each and every branch of science is too deep that no one can get to know about all the aspects of it in entire life. Here, I would like to talk about an area which fascinates me a lot. That area is none other than artificial intelligence, which is in highly demand nowadays. And I remember that a year ago, I went on the science trip from my school, and we went at the Ahmedabad where the Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center is at Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center. And at that point of time, a scientist who was researching on robotics was there, and we talked with him. And at that a point of time, I have learned many things about robotics, and since that day, I am very fascinated by that area of science, and I am researching on it as well. Firstly, I am talking about the merits of robotics, because since the robotics would be introduced, mankind, it would be as a boon for mankind, because we would be able to allocate our small tasks to robots, and we would be able to face on the major task, and we could easily complete them very productively as well. Apart from it, robots can easily buy groceries for our houses, they can clean our house, so by this way they would be productive for ourselves. But there are some demerits as well, because access to everything proves to be dangerous. So if a person would do overuse of robotics, then he or she would inculcate indolent attitude, and due to that one would have to face miserable consequences in his or her life. But I can say that in course of time the benefits would outweigh the disadvantages, and that field would be in highly demand. So I am also working on it, and I am eager to see the time when the robots would be the part of our life, and I would be it would be grateful moment for me when I would also have a robot and it would help me in my work. So this is the area of science which interests me a lot.